No homeowner wants to deal with a rodent infestation indoors, but what if they infest your car? Once temperatures cool for fall and winter, rats and mice will seek shelter from the harsh cold and invade structures, including any cars, vehicles, or machinery that may be left out. Not only can they cause up to thousands of dollars in damage, but rats and mice in your car or other machinery can pose serious health risks. So in this video, we'll go over how to inspect for rodents and how you can stop them from invading your vehicle. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about rodent control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Before employing any rodent control methods, it's important to be able to identify your exact problem and inspect for signs of activity. Not doing so can cause you to waste time and money on a problem you may not have. Before inspecting around and inside of your car, tractor, or other machinery, make sure to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE to avoid coming into contact with rodent waste or sharp objects inside the engine. The following is a list of common signs of rodent activity. If you are dealing with a rodent infestation around your car or other machinery, you're likely to come across multiple signs of activity. Gnaw marks. Check electrical wiring, plastic panels, upholstery on the steering wheel and seats, and floor mats for any damage caused by chewing and biting. Strange sounds. If you're sitting in an unmoving vehicle, listen for any rodents that may be hiding under the hood, within insulation, or in the trunk. You may hear scratching sounds or squeaking if your car is infested. Food and plant residue. If you've spotted any bits of dry grass, plant leaves, or seeds that you can't explain otherwise, then this may indicate that rodents are carrying materials to create nests inside your vehicle. Droppings. One of the surefire signs of rodent activity. Rodents constantly leave waste as they travel in and out of your vehicle. Foul odors. Since rodents are always producing waste, you're sure to smell something unpleasant if they're nesting in your car. You may also come across more offensive odors if any rodents have died and are decomposing in your vehicle. Rodents themselves. If you've seen any rodents, then that's a sure indicator you're dealing with a rodent infestation in your vehicle or somewhere else on your property. You can start your vehicle's engine to see if any rodents react or scurry away. Be sure to take note of what you've found to determine where the rodents may be traveling. Where they've infested may affect how you approach your product placements. After you've confirmed you're dealing with rats or mice, you can proceed with treatment. Continue to wear your PPE, especially gloves, to avoid leaving a human scent on any of the products. Rodents can easily pick up on the scent and be scared off, which will be detrimental to your pest control strategy. You'll start by cleaning in and around your car, tractor, or other pieces of equipment. With regular cleaning, you'll discourage rodents from creating nests. Regularly clean the inside of your car to eliminate crumbs and attractive aromas. Make sure to wipe down and vacuum the dashboard, floor mats, car seats, cup holders, and the sides of doors. Next, you'll conduct lawn maintenance to make the area less conducive for rodent activity. Mow your grass to an appropriate height if it's too tall, and keep bushes and other ornamental shrubbery neatly trimmed. Rake away any fallen leaf litter, and pick up debris like any bark or fallen twigs and branches. This will reduce any hiding places for rodents to retreat to. If you store your vehicle or machinery inside of a garage or workshop, block entry points by sealing cracks and crevices with caulk and copper mesh. Remember, rodents can fit through small spaces. Rats can fit through holes as small as a quarter, while mice can fit through holes as small as a dime. Once you've cleaned in and around your vehicle, you'll set several rodent control traps and products in and around where your vehicle is stored. Make sure your vehicle is off before setting any products, and these products will need to be picked up and removed prior to reactivation. Start by setting easy set rodent snap traps in front and behind the vehicle seats, in the trunk, and on top of tires. These are the most frequented spots rodents will travel through if they've infested your vehicle. These traps come in two different sizes, a larger size for rats and a smaller size for mice. The easy set snap traps are made with a sturdy, durable plastic. Its design makes it easier and safer to set, and it's more sanitary when disposing of any caught rodents. Check these traps on a daily basis to remove any eliminated rats or mice. In addition to snap traps, you'll also want to set out a bait product. We recommend you use Eratication rodent bait set inside of a rat and mouse bait station. When used together, these products will provide rodents with an ideal feeding location as they consume the lethal bait blocks. Just set Eratication into the station, close the station, and set up your bait along where the rodents are likely to travel near your vehicle or machine. Rodents will be attracted to Eratication's scent, consume the bait inside the station, and will die in the field within 5 to 7 days. It may take up to 2 weeks to see a noticeable reduction in rodent activity. We recommend you use at least 2 stations set 15 to 30 feet apart. Check your stations once a day to replenish your bait blocks until your rodent activity ceases. Rats and mice are some of the most unpleasant pests, but this is made worse when they infest your vehicles or other machines, potentially costing you thousands. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can keep rodents out of your car or other machinery, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.